Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to add Discord link to TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to add Discord link. You have to copy any of the Discord link and now add it to your TikTok ID. Click on the TikTok app, click on the profile icon. You can see here three dots which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on the account. You have to switch that account, switch to business account. Now you can see here option of this next. You have to click on next and you have to select any of the category, like I'm going to select beauty. Click on the next. Want to add email, create now. You will be set. Now come to the again to your profile. Now here you can see option of edit profile. You can see website here. Click on this and you have to get started. You have to click any of the link that you have, Discord link here. By clicking on this and settings and privacy, allow this register. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.